Hello and welcome to my channel. Bring the taste of Italy to your kitchen with this homemade fettuccine carbonara recipe. From scratch made pasta to a silky cream cheese carbonara sauce with pancetta, onions and cream peppercorn. This dish is a pure comfort and flavor in every bite. What you will get in this dish: fresh handmade fettuccine with semolina and olive oil, crispy pancetta, fragrant onion and peppercorn for depth, a rich parmigiano egg sauce tempered to perfection. No cream, just authentic flavor. Whether you're cooking for family or impressing guests, this dish is guaranteed to wow. Serve warm, garnish with extra reggiano, and enjoy a plate of authentic Italian goodness. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes made from scratch. Instruction: make the fettuccine. Combine eggs, salt, olive oil, all-purpose flour, and semolina into a bowl. Mix until a dough forms. Knead until smooth and elastic, no lumps. Divide the dough into portions using a rolling pin or pasta machine. Stretch each portion into thin sheets. Roll the sheets into a log, slice into strips, then unroll to form fettuccine ribbon. Dust with flour to prevent sticking and set aside. Let's prepare the pancetta in aromatic. Dice the pancetta into a small square. Heat a skillet over low heat. Cook pancetta until it releases fat and become crispy. Remove and set aside. Dice the onions and saute in the same skillet until fragrant. Add green peppercorn and return pancetta to the skillet. Stir to combine, keeping heat low. Set aside. Let's cook the pasta. Bring a medium pot of salted water to a boil. Add the fettuccine and cook it until it floats to the surface. Let's temper the egg mixture. In a stainless steel bowl, whisk 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, and 50 grams of grated Reggiano cheese. Place the bowl over the steamy pasta, water to a gentle warm, and temper the egg. Avoid scrambling. Combine and let's serve. Transfer the fettuccine into a tempered egg mixture. Toss until coated. Add the pasta to the skillet with pancetta, onions, and peppercorn. Stir well to combine. Plate garnish with extra parmigiano reggiano and serve warm.